main reasons that I can never, ever be a stepfather again. Because I used to be one at one point in time, right? It's because I've seen the stepdaughter help their mother cheat on the stepdaddy. Let me repeat that in case that went over your head. I've seen the stepdaughter help the mother cheat on the stepdaddy, the man who has been taking care of her from the time she was old enough to walk. She owes him no loyalty because he is not her biological father. She is just a man who is helping take care of her. Now, mind you, I've never seen any stepsons do this. Not saying they did or didn't. I'm only speaking from my experience. I haven't seen it. Maybe you have. But I was dealing with this chick, right? And we never went on any dates. We never took any walks in the park. We never did anything romantic. It was strictly sexual. And so one day I go over her house and we in there smashing it. We having one of our little freak sessions going at it, right? And her house, right, she has this big oak front door. But she also has this screen glass door before you get to the oak door. So we in there going at it. And I heard Key tapping on the front screen, the glass. Tat, 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 tat. One of them consistent knocks. And she put her hands in my chest and like try to push me up off her. And she like scrambling to get out the bed. So I rolled over. I'm like, what the hell? And then you heard a tap at the window. Tat, 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 tat. A man's voice yelled, why you got the fucking screen door locked?
Bruh. What? Man. Listen, this would be something that I could see a younger guy doing. Like I can see younger people going through stuff like this, like, 18, 21. And I'm hoping that this brother is talking about a scenario that happened decades ago. Cause your boy looking like he probably pressing about 48, 50. Fam. I mean, you shouldn't be doing no mess like this at all. Y'all gotta be careful about who y'all decide to mess with. Be extremely careful about these type of things. You got individuals, you got chicks that's moving like this, that they're literally putting your life in danger. Like they don't give two F's about you, that guy, or themselves. Obviously, they know that this dude probably, most of them dudes already be crash outs, man. And you putting yourself in a situation for a 304. That's, if she not giving it up to you, she probably gonna be giving it up to somebody else. Like it's already multiple people going in there, man. Like, yeah, this is crazy.
Come open the fucking door. Her face like is like in fear.
Mm.
Now I'm sitting there ass naked. Like, what the fuck? I'm like, who is that? She like, that's Maurice. I'm like, who the fuck is
Who's
Maurice?
Maurice?
She like, that's my man. I'm like, what the fuck?
She said that's her man, not an ex, not, what I'm saying, a BD or somebody that this is a guy that has the key to the freaking house. And this woman is bold enough to have you in there, probably in broad open daylight. In broad open daylight, don't, man. Yo, bro, yo. These people are crazy. And I'm gonna tell you, it's so crazy because you got individuals. I'm not saying like this dude because I don't know this guy personally, but you got individuals that will go right back after situations like this. Man, y'all crazy. Y'all,
It's like, don't worry.
ain't no way.
He
Don't
ain't got
worry.
his key to the screen door. I'm like, what about the back door? Like, it's a different lock. He can't open the screen door. I'm like, oh man, at this moment, I get to looking around the house, right? And I get to noticing shit that I would normally pay attention to. But like I said, this was only a smash and grab. I used to hit and run like a nigga with no car insurance. So I never really analyzed or paid attention to anything around the room. But today I did. I see Air Force Ones, Jordans, and Timberlands on the side of the wall, right? Big shoes. Them ain't no women's shoes. Then it hit me. I'm like, damn, it's two big ass pit bulls in the backyard. So I can't go out there. I'm thinking like, why didn't I pay attention to that? A woman with two big ass people.
Cap, you seen, bro? You man, let me no. Listen, fellas, I don't let anybody escape from accountability, and you cannot tell me that you did not pay any attention to any of those freaking things. I don't give a damn if it's just a smash and pass, smash and grab, whatever you want to call it. There is no way that you walk back and you didn't pay attention in broad open daylight. Like I'm going through, man. Listen, no, fellas that I know, especially a seasoned brother like this, you pay attention to your doggone surroundings, fam. Stop the cap, man. Stop the cap. Like, we're not gonna let these young ladies do it. We're not gonna let these old heads do it either. You know damn well that young lady had somebody. You seen forces, you seen pit bulls, you seen all these other things. I'm pretty sure some other stuff around that doggone household that don't say woman. Come on, man.
Bulls.
I call cap.
I'm like, wow, what the fuck I'm finna do now? She grabbed my clothes and she said, come on, come on. I followed her to her daughter's room. Now her daughter's room is right beside hers. Her daughter ain't on the cell phone. She bust through the door like, Maurice, her daughter hop up out the bed like this is routine. Like this is a fucking fire drill.
What'd I say?
She's like, come on, come on, come on. Get in the bed, get in the bed. So I lay in the bed. She throw the cover on me. I almost said old girl name. Old girl goes to the front door. Her daughter closed the door. Her door, hop in the bed, laying beside me. I heard dude walking all through the house. Like you can tell when the dude mad, cause you can hear his feet, like he down there stomping. Why it take you so long to open the fucking door? They going back and forth. She hitting him with the, you insecure, what you tripping off of and all that. They going back and forth. This dude opened the door to the room. I'm talking about, click, click, just push the door in. She like, knock before you come in my damn room. He look at me like, oh, my fault. I ain't know you had company. I ain't know you had company. I'm sitting in the bed like, what the fuck? He leave, they go on there and finish arguing. You can hear them going back and forth. Her daughter said, I'm finna get you up out of her. I'm like, cool. I ain't finna argue about that.
Man, this is diabolical. This is nasty. And I already like, bro, this is routine. Trust and believe what they say. The daughter on the payroll. Everybody on the payroll, man. And the guy, he already know what it is. He already know somebody. Other people have already been busting that thing down, and he's still with his really intelligent self is still sticking it out and staying there. See, in situations like this, fellas, get the freak out, man. I don't even understand why the heck he signed up for this in the first place. Like you shouldn't even got involved with this young lady. Cause I'm pretty sure she probably been given doggone bust down vibes since you got with her. This is one of them chicks that you bust down on. You know what? Let me leave that alone.
Let's go. Put my stuff on, right? She knock on her mama's door. You can hear them in her arguing. She like, Mom, I'm finna go to the store. Okay, baby, okay. I walked to the front door, bro. I got in my car. I left. I never turned back. I never said anything else to her.
Cap.
Never.
Cap.
I was done with that situation. But come to find out, this guy had been in her in her kid's life for years. For years. How do I know this? Because the girl I was creeping with was my big brother's girlfriend's cousin. And he been there for years taking care of them kids. Like I said, I don't know if the stepson ever participated in anything like that. It was just the stepdaughter. And that is why I would never, ever be a stepfather again, because I have been once. I have been once. I know a lot of y'all gonna be upset like it ain't all. I didn't say it was all. You're gonna always have some that work out. But for a lot of dudes who become stepfathers, right, you got to keep in mind, you are not the biological father. You're just a placeholder. You're just somebody there helping her take care of her kids.
Facts.
Most of the times, if them women didn't need help, you wouldn't be there. They would be with the man who they really want to be with.
This man is cooking, and I know, boy, you got a lot of people that's already down in the comments in their mother freaking feelings about this. This brother, hey, let him cook, man. Let him cook. It's a bad freaking deal. If you are a guy if you are a man without a child or without children, I personally think, or I would love for somebody to be able to break it down why this would be a great decision for one of those guys, a man without children. So we're gonna approach it like that. I'm not gonna say, what I was gonna say. I would love, I think we will all love to hear the other side of the story, right? Break it down how this would be a great decision for a productive male, a productive guy that's being productive with his life. He's taking care of himself. He's doing everything. Got good character, good morals, good values. He checks off all those boxes, right? And a billion women would absolutely love to have this guy. Women that don't already have children. Explain to us how it would be in his best interest to get with someone that does already have children by another man. I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna leave it right there, and y'all please let me know. Let me know, man. And yo, I think, is he done?
But this is why I can never be a stepfather.
I think your boy was cooking. Again, I think that young man was cooking, and I know it's gonna be a lot of people down in the comments. They probably down there right now, typing paragraphs, essays, the whole nine. But if y'all can just answer that question for me, answer that question for us. Why in the world, if I am a guy that is 25 years old, I don't have, any debt. I don't have any baby mama drama. I don't have, anything crazy going on. I work a 9 to 5 job. I got a car. I got a place. I'm checking off all those boxes. I'm working out or whatever. Listen, everything is good. Average guy. Explain to an average guy that has all of his ducks in a row, why would it be best for him to go and sign up for a young lady that has had a child by another man? Break that down to me. Y'all drop it down in the comments, and we're gonna definitely talk about this because I want to hear from y'all. All right. Anyway, man, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and we're gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm really looking forward to this one right here.